The role of data analytics in Alumni Networks Data analytics serves as the backbone of modern alumni engagement strategies. It enables universities and professional associations to track participation patterns, assess the impact of events, and measure the success of outreach efforts. This granular visibility allows stakeholders to allocate resources efficiently and prioritize high-value activities. By analyzing historical data, institutions can uncover correlations between alumni behavior and factors such as graduation year, field of study, or geographic location. These insights inform decisions ranging from fundraising campaigns to mentorship program design. Event participation tracking. Analytics identifies which types of events, virtual webinars, regional meetups, or industry conferences, attract the most attendees and why. Communication frequency analysis. Understanding optimal times and channels for reaching out ensures messages are seen and acted upon, reducing wasted effort and increasing response rates. Donation pattern recognition. Predictive models analyze giving history to anticipate contributions and personalize appeals that align with individual interests and financial capabilities. Personalization. The key to engaging alumni. Modern alumni expect personalized experiences that reflect their unique backgrounds and aspirations. Data analytics makes this possible by segmenting audiences into microgroups based on shared characteristics, career trajectories, or engagement histories. For instance, a recent graduate interested in tech entrepreneurship may receive curated updates about startup incubators, while a mid-career alumnus seeking leadership roles might get invitations to executive roundtables. Such precision boosts relevance and fosters long-term loyalty. Leveraging behavioral data for tailored outreach. A 2023 survey by the National Association of Colleges and Employers found that 82% of alumni felt more connected to their alma mater when communications were personalized. Institutions can achieve this by monitoring website visits, social media interactions, and email open rates to gauge interest levels. Advanced algorithms then match this behavioral data with demographic profiles to craft messaging that feels intentional rather than intrusive. An alumnus who frequently engages with sustainability-related posts, for example, may receive invitations to environmental advocacy panels or funding opportunities tied to green innovation. Predictive analytics for career development. Beyond engagement, data analytics plays a transformative role in shaping alumni career paths. By forecasting emerging industries, identifying skill shortages, and mapping out professional growth trajectories, institutions empower graduates to stay competitive in dynamic markets. Career services departments now employ AI-driven platforms that analyze global labor market trends alongside individual resumes, coursework, and past employment records. These systems offer recommendations for upskilling, certifications, or even lateral moves that align with market demands. Skill gap identification. Tools like LinkedIn Talent Insights scan job postings to determine which technical and soft skills are in highest demand across various sectors. Mentor matching algorithms. Platforms pair alumni with mentors based on mutual interests, expertise, and geographical proximity, enhancing the likelihood of meaningful relationships. Salary benchmarking. Analytics compares alumni earnings against industry standards, helping professionals negotiate fair compensation packages and identify lucrative career shifts. Optimizing mentorship programs through data mentorship remains one of the most impactful ways alumni contribute to others' careers. Yet, traditional mentoring frameworks often lack efficiency due to mismatched expectations or incompatible schedules. Data analytics resolves these challenges by creating structured, scalable solutions. Analytics tracks mentor availability, preferred communication styles, and past mentor success stories to build compatible pairs. Institutions also monitor program performance over time, refining criteria based on outcomes such as ments securing promotions or starting businesses within 6 months of enrollment. Case study. University X's mentoring revolution. University X implemented a data-driven mentorship platform in 2022, resulting in a 65% increase in mentee satisfaction scores compared to previous years. By matching engineers with experienced product managers and finance majors with C-suite executives, the program addressed niche career needs previously overlooked. Data further revealed that virtual meetings reduced logistical barriers, leading to a surge in cross-regional pairings. As a result, MENTs gained exposure to diverse perspectives, and mentors expanded their professional influence globally. Enhancing alumni reconnection efforts. Many alumni lose touch after graduation, but data analytics offers innovative methods to rekindle connections. From automated check-ins to sentiment analysis of social media posts, technology bridges gaps that once seemed insurmountable. For example, a university might use natural language processing, NLP, to detect keywords in alumni tweets indicating a return to academia or a change in profession. This insight triggers targeted follow-ups with relevant career resources or peer groups. Automated check-in campaigns. Scheduled emails remind inactive alumni about upcoming events or new alumni-exclusive perks they may have missed. Social listening tools. Monitoring forums and LinkedIn groups helps identify alumni facing career transitions, allowing proactive support through counseling or resume workshops. Geolocation-based networking. Apps notify users when fellow alumni are nearby, facilitating spontaneous meetups during travel or business trips. Fostering global alumni collaboration. In our interconnected world, data analytics supports alumni collaboration across borders. Whether launching international projects, forming diaspora chapters, or organizing global conferences, insights guide strategic decision-making. Analytics reveals which regions host the largest concentrations of alumni, enabling localized initiatives that address community-specific needs. It also highlights cultural nuances influencing engagement, ensuring inclusive programming that respects diversity. Statistical insights on global alumni engagement. A 2024 report by the Global Alumni Network Consortium showed that alumni in Asia-Pacific countries engaged 20% more actively with virtual events compared to European counterparts, a trend attributed to higher internet penetration and flexible work cultures. This data informed a shift toward hybrid event formats, blending live-streamed sessions with asynchronous content options. Consequently, participation rates among older alumni increased by 30%, demonstrating the power of adaptive strategies driven by analytics. Measuring the ROI of alumni engagement initiatives. Just as corporations evaluate marketing campaigns, educational institutions must quantify the returns on investments made in alumni engagement. Data analytics provides the metrics necessary to demonstrate value and justify ongoing resource allocation. Key performance indicators, KPIs, such as event attendance numbers, donor retention rates, and career advancement milestones serve as benchmarks for success. Comparative analyses reveal which initiatives yield the highest ROI, guiding future budget allocations. Cost-benefit analysis. Calculating the cost of hosting an annual gala versus the revenue generated from sponsorships and donations helps optimize spending. Engagement to outcomes ratio. Metrics like number of mentorship matches per dollar spent indicate program efficiency and scalability. Long-term impact studies. Surveys conducted 5 years post-engagement measure whether alumni attribute career achievements to institutional support. Ethical considerations in alumni data usage. While data analytics unlocks immense potential, ethical responsibilities accompany its application. Transparency, consent, and safeguarding privacy remain non-negotiable principles for maintaining trust within alumni communities. Institutions must clearly communicate how data will be collected, stored, and utilized. Opt-in mechanisms allow alumni to control their level of involvement, while anonymizing techniques protect sensitive information during analysis. Best practices for ethical data handling. Implementing robust data governance policies ensures compliance with laws such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. Regular audits verify that only authorized personnel access confidential files, minimizing risks of misuse or breaches. Additionally, providing opt-out options and easy-to-use portals for managing preferences empowers alumni to take charge of their data. Institutions that prioritize ethics cultivate stronger reputations, attracting more participants willing to share information openly. Future trends shaping alumni data analytics. The field of alumni engagement analytics continues to evolve with advancements in artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, and quantum computing. These innovations promise to revolutionize how institutions interact with their graduates in the coming decade. Artificial intelligence will automate routine tasks such as scheduling meetings or generating personalized reports, freeing staff to focus on strategic planning. Blockchain could securely store academic credentials and work histories, making verification processes faster and more transparent. AI-powered chatbots, virtual assistants handle common inquiries, reducing administrative burdens and delivering instant responses to alumni questions. Quantum computing potential. Future applications may enable ultra-fast simulations of complex scenarios, predicting everything from alumni migration patterns to the economic impacts of policy changes. Voice and facial recognition. Enhanced biometric technologies could streamline event check-ins and verify identities for exclusive networking spaces. Empowering alumni through continuous learning. Data analytics not only informs institutions but also equips alumni to take ownership of their professional growth. Accessible dashboards and interactive tools let graduates visualize their career progress, set achievable goals, and track milestones over time. Micro-learning platforms powered by analytics deliver bite-sized training modules tailored to individual learning curves. For example, someone struggling with public speaking might receive weekly video tutorials and practice exercises calibrated to their confidence level. Real-time feedback loops for skill development. Apps integrate user feedback to refine content delivery continuously. If learners consistently skip certain lessons, the system adjusts difficulty levels or introduces alternative teaching methods. This adaptability ensures that education remains relevant and effective. Moreover, gamification elements like leaderboards and achievement badges motivate sustained participation. Competitions for completing certification courses foster camaraderie among alumni, turning learning into a collective endeavor. Building stronger communities through shared goals. Data analytics strengthens alumni communities by highlighting shared values and collaborative opportunities. Whether rallying around social causes, supporting local startups, or advocating for policy reforms, insights guide unified actions that amplify impact. Surveys and sentiment analysis identify popular themes among alumni, such as climate activism or healthcare equity. These findings inspire group initiatives that align with member passions, transforming passive observers into active contributors. Community mapping tools. Visualizations show clusters of alumni working on similar issues, enabling coordinated efforts and knowledge sharing. Impact measurement dashboards track the number of volunteers deployed, funds raised, or bills passed to showcase the tangible results of collective action. Peer recognition systems highlight outstanding alumni contributions to encourage emulation and reinforce community spirit. Conclusion. Data analytics is reshaping the way alumni networks operate, offering unprecedented depth and precision in addressing engagement, career development, and community building. Its integration into every facet, from mentorship pairing to global collaborations, ensures that institutions remain responsive to the ever-changing needs of their graduates. To fully capitalize on this opportunity, alumni are encouraged to participate actively in surveys, utilize available career tools, and advocate for initiatives that align with their interests. Together, data-driven strategies will continue elevating the experience of being part of a thriving, forward-thinking alumni ecosystem.